Hellcat.
With Teja, and I'm Teja, and you're watching YouTube right now. And today, this is my voice. Actually, I was about to do a voice reveal, and yeah. And today, we are going to be playing some Roblox. We're gonna game for the first time, actually. And then, go check out all of my other vids. They're not about gaming, but yeah. We are going to be playing hide and seek extreme on Roblox today. Okay, so let's do it. Currently, I'm spectating because I just joined. I'm F2P, so yeah, I don't have that many of skins. I have another account in which I have all the skins, but I'm just using this account for now. Yep, now we're gonna start the gaming session. Yeah, let's begin. Okay, please be a good man. Please be Ethan's bedroom. What is it gonna be? It's the workshop. Not a bad one and not a good one. I don't know that many of spots, but I can hide. Yeah, I have two good spots. So yeah. Okay, Nathan Pam Gaming. Let's see what you got. And by the way, my avatar is free. Okay, it's not the money which the Robux which you think. Okay, so let's start. Let's go. Where are we going? Where should we hide? Should we hide there? Yeah, let's just hide there. It's a pretty obvious spot, but you know what? I'll still take it. Hey, F40, big shout out to you. I don't know what you're doing. Why did you fall off? Oh, snap. Let's climb this up. Okay, I don't know why I just taunted there. And as you can see, there's a secret area here. Sorry that my microphone keeps lowering its voice. Anyway, okay, we're here with Nightmare Moon 6610. I think it's someone's friend because if you read the chat right now, yeah, I think let's play a couple of games and then let's spectate it now. Oh snap! Okay, someone's going. Let's just spectate it for now. It's a Jacob, I think, right? Yep, it's Jacob. Okay, so his ability is to place cameras. He can't find me even if he is with cameras actually. Yeah, see, there goes the camera. Lord. Okay, he's coming closer and closer by the second. I don't think he'll find me unless the people in here just go out randomly. He's placing cameras. Not that you're gonna find any of us. Okay, there's a person, dude. There's a dude down there, dude. Oh, he's okay. I think this guy's starting, or maybe he's an experienced player. We don't know because I don't know. What am I saying? He found two. Oh, she's just gonna jump. And the main point is you just gotta hide till the 2 minutes 33 minutes seconds, whatever, and then you gotta survive. I'm gonna go a little bit out. I'm gonna give him a sneak peek and I'm gonna scare him a little bit. Hopefully he didn't see me there. Where am I? Oh, hello. Hope he didn't see me. I see him. Hey, you didn't see me. I'm going back. Hello. Oh, he definitely saw that girl. I think we're gone now. I think he's coming for us. He's so confused. Where did those dudes go? He's placing 2 cameras just to be sure. Okay. What's he doing? Please don't tell me he knows. Okay. There's nobody here, bro. There are some people just chatting. Guys, if you want to friend me, just send me a request. I'll just accept it. I love making friends. And my username is Tejasha123. I'll just say hi in the chat. Hi. Lol. Okay, it is up to something. You get it? Up to something. Bad pun. Sorry. Anyways, I did not upload for a long time, and I'm finally doing a voice reveal. And I did upload because I have a lot of online classes. Today I have 2 breaks, so I can film a video. Come on, just get over. Okay, now I'm just gonna show myself up. There's no use. Oh snap! It's actually creepy. Please don't tell me he saw me. Okay, now I'm going. Get me it. I'm right here. Come get me. Oh yeah. I hope we are it this time and hope we get a good map. We need to buy Jake actually. I don't know why I bought this taunt instead of saving up. I think I'm gonna buy TV. It looks really cute. Okay, equip it. Yeah, maybe we are it this time. I'm down. Oh my god. Why is he so small and why is his lightsaber so big? Yep, which map was this? Please be Ethan's bedroom. Oh yes, it is. Okay, I have 2 spots again. Oh snap, I fell. Okay, let's just go to our second spot then. Also, just suggest me the games which you want me to play. I just fell. Suggest me the games which you want me to play in the comment section, so that you get the content which you want to watch. Okay, there's a noob hiding just there. I'm not gonna hide there. I'm gonna grab the coins, even though I don't need it. Okay, we're up here now. I mostly like to hide near these penguins because I like them. But is there anything else which is cooler? A Nintendo Switch. I think that's a Switch Lite. Snap, I just fell. Oh, there's minion here. So let's just go to the... Are you kidding me? And I'm out already. Okay, I'm just gonna go hide near these books then. I just fell. I'm just gonna hide right here. Someone already was found. Oh, it's a Jake. Did he literally just miss a person behind? Oh my god. I think there are 2 people who are friends and they are just telling each other. They're teaming. Or else, how did he know there are 2 people right behind there? And... Oh snap. Okay. And there's a spot here also. If you get on top of the bed, I think it'll teleport you up there. Yep, I was right. Now my brother sometimes hides in the teddy bear. And in case you're wondering, go check out Gaming with Star Players. He's my brother. He also produces good gaming content. I'll leave links in the description to his channel. Yeah. Also consider subscribing because I don't know. I post randomly because I don't have time. Whenever I have time, I post. Oops, where did we come? Also, I'm trying to hold my mic near me and I'm trying to play at the same time. So, get ready for some cringy gameplay. Yeah. Again. Yeah. Okay, what's going on now? Where are everybody else? Oh, there's a mouse hole here. Anybody? No? Oh, I see someone jumping there. I think we'll just play one more game and we're done. Or should we play two more? Nah, I think let's play two more. Also, whoever subscribed, shout out to everyone, all my friends they subbed. And shout out to everyone. I've seen one bot in the comment section lately. Oh, that's a new spot. I didn't know. Because I'm not playing that much of this. If you want me to do build a boat next time, you can just type it in the comment section. I will teach you some glitches. I can teach you some glitches actually. Yeah, okay. We just right under there. Thank goodness we did not hide near the penguins this time. Oh, okay. I thought he's checking every single one of them. Overprotective. I don't know what's that called. Okay. Yeah, I just know those two spots the best. This guy is getting so many coins, dude. Just take those 3 coins. Where? Okay, what's he doing? He didn't check in the pillows. Where is he going? Okay, I think it's time for us to show our passes. No, it's actually not. There's 35 seconds left, dude. He has a running ability. What if we get caught? I want to be it. What are we saving up for? Oh. This is heaven, bro. A golden dodge? Oh my god. Yeah, I usually like to hide near those books and then I climb up to the third rack up there. And I usually like to hide there. But this time I fell. So. Oh, we both. Only 2 people survived. Nice. Okay, so what are we getting? Please give us the attic. I can tell you a good spot if it's the attic actually. The kitchen. This one's a bit weird. Should we hide near the shelves or should we hide near the on the exhaust? I think. What is that called? Oh no, we are the it. We are the it. It alert. It alert. Okay. We need to be a little bit careful for what we do here. Because we have a very bad it. Oh my god. Stop taunting on me and just go already. Stop taunting on me. It's rude, you know. Okay, there are 2 AFKs. I think we can work with that. Oh, we have 1 AFK who's a retro. One dude's just trying to jump off. Kitchen is a huge map. I don't think I can find everyone in time. We'll see about that. 11 players. Usually me and my brother like to cheat. And we're like, my brother just stays there like AFK and then he tells me where everyone is. And yeah. But now it's not the case. Okay, we have this retro. Please don't move. Are you kidding me? Stay here. Okay, he's teaming. Yeah. My brother just opened the door. His classes are still going on. Oh, I see 2 people there actually. Okay, I'm gonna go for both of them. 2 noobs. No, please don't jump onto the microphone. Okay, she's trapping herself. Let's just go near this goal first. GG gamer. Gamer down. GG. What? Oh, my game's lagging, I guess. Yeah, we got him. And I saw this dude wiggling around. GG gamer. GG Navjouts. I don't know how do I pronounce. GG. Nathan Pam Gaming. He was the first it which we saw. Also, I think I need to check these drawers. There could be some sneaky people hiding. No, not today. Oh, If you spot anyone whom I didn't spot. Oh, I spotted them. Oh, there are two people. Nice. Okay, I think okay, that dude just fell. That was the hard dude. Yeah. I can just go get him. Oh, it's the dude whom we saw the first, whom I gave a shout out for nothing. Yep. GG. Where's the second girl? Oh. Oh, GG. GG gamer. Oh, she's trying to troll me, huh? GG. Is anyone else here? Oh, someone left the game. We still have enough time to see. Please don't be in that side. Please just be on top here. Anybody in this? Wait, that's our spawn. No, that's our spawn. I just heard someone saying bye. Where are they? Oh my god. I keep hearing someone. Oh, I think they're behind there. Are they? Because I hit there once. No, I don't think so. Oh, I think they're above me. Yeah, on top of that. Okay, let's just go get that one dude, I guess. Please don't jump off. Oh. Yep. Okay, he didn't. Okay, now I just have to figure out where they went. I still hear bye. Who wants to say bye? No, they're not up there. I think they're in the microwave. Okay, there's a coin here, so I don't think there's anybody here. Yep. Let's just jump down to the microwave then, I guess. There's a secret spot here, right? Anybody? No, I keep hearing bye. Is that a hacker? Because I don't find them anywhere. In those drawers, my brother tells. I think they're right there. Okay, there's two hiders left and I didn't find two. Not bad. Are they literally right up there? I don't think so. Are they at spawn? No. Okay. That was a pretty good game. I guess we'll end this video off here. It was a good time. Anyway, bye guys.